Mark here. It is just after 8 a.m. Thursday, 24th of April. US session just underway and well into the European session, going into the afternoon portion of the US session. Let's see how the markets are positioned. US dollar index, always a good starting point. Two strong days for the US dollar index. We saw that yesterday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So far today, given up some of those gains, you can see that today it is down, sitting between resistance at 99.68 and support at 98.61. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see that I've put in this 99 level as a support, and it's a strong support, and it has proved a strong support. If I go and scroll back, you can see this 99 support that's just bounced off right now has proved to be a strong support throughout this month. Let's see if buyers can maintain this small bounce we're seeing to start the US session, bounce up off the 99, get towards this resistance at 99.68. Alternatively, sellers come and retest the support back down to support at 98.58. Let's have a look at the S&P. Bearing in mind, we're about an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening, so this is pre-market trading. Strong day yesterday, same as US dollar was strong. We saw two strong days from the S&P. Yesterday, resistance at 5,498. That's the 5,500 level, a significant and pivotal level in the S&P, and support at 5,376. Hanging around that level today. Yesterday's close already tested a little bit lower than that support. Let's zoom in on the hourly. And you can see that this support level of 5,370 is a strong support. Sellers will be looking to test break below it. Buyers, of course, looking to use this as a springboard and a bounce up off this strong support level. Let's have a look at gold. Closed yesterday at 3,285. It's gapped up to opened at 3,314. This support level at 3,257, that's what sellers are going to be looking to test. Let's zoom in on the hourly. And here's the intraday support, 3,313 has been a support before. Support today as well on the shorter term on the hourly, but buyers have stepped in, sitting right now at 3,338. Took a breather, I think a well-earned breather, some profit taking. Strong US dollar as well, all added to the sell-off we saw the last 2 days in gold. But certainly its safe haven status is still there. I do believe there still is demand for gold. And I think buyers might just see this lower price than we've seen, lower than resistance. If I look at the daily, there we've got resistance at 3,500. We're now sitting around the 3,300, $200 lower than resistance. Might well be seen as a good buying opportunity for those that want to get into the long-term gold rally. Let's have a look at Brent oil. After a nice run up over the past 2 weeks, yesterday a sell-off, big sell-off, engulfed the previous green candle, resistance 67.69, support at 64.46. So pretty much trading within between 64.5, 67.5, a $3 range that we see here from yesterday's support to resistance. And on the hourly, definitely a bounce up off the support level. EMAs have crossed to the upside. Sitting right now, looking to test the $66 mark. Bias does seem to be up today on oil, but if we look at the big picture and the daily, there you can see strong downtrend this whole year. There's the bounce up, and now sitting pretty flat in that tight $3 range. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, which has put in a strong run, particularly the previous 2 days, 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Wednesday, a little gain yesterday, and resistance at 94,500. Today, given up some of those gains, but you can see support at 92,000 is holding strong. Buyers will want to maintain this bounce off the 92, come up and visit 94.5, the resistance, and obviously higher, and looking at that $100,000 mark. Sellers will want to test and break below this 92,000, get below 90, back into the 80,000 range. Good trading. I'll see you at end of day.